It really matters. Guys, this is not only crazy time. Landon. Yes, ladies and gentlemen.
Please. Yeah.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Back and the top freeze round, beautiful 1300. Nice. Betting time. Welcome everybody to Crazy Time. Auto plays available. Tops out of 50x on any single segment. Let us roll. Let's send it. Here we go. Oh. Cash in 2x top slot. Yep. Spin harder. Sorry, can't. I'm a weak little boy. Good luck. I like trains. Oh man, why did I say that? Pachinko. There we go. Let's go. Hello, boys and girls. Pachinko time. You know what we're doing. Pick up the pop. In the open paper. Why you all the time? Well, because I am all the time. Right, ladies and gentlemen. We got 25s and 35s and 200x and doubles, baby. Nice. Right next to each other. That's great. Exactly. It's like that. Alright, drop it like it's hot. Alright, come on. Do it right, baby. You know we want the doubles of 200s. You know, no.
This is the amount of money issued 985,866 euros.
Ciao! 5,032 winners nicely done. We got ourselves it's all negative in price. You can add to that piece. It's on a bill for 50,000 bucks. Can somebody ban Zlatan for spamming Jay's Louise? Alright, let's go. Sheesh! Exactly. Made it all back. Nice, KT. Nice.
800 winners. Alex, Double P, and Adam. Top payouts. Adam. You're pretty. Ah, magandaka means you're pretty. Jenny. Magandaka. Pretty woman. Walking down the street. Pretty woman. Da, 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 da. 25x on number 10. Pachinko! Okay, guys, nice. Nice, baby. You know what this time is gonna be? Previously, Pachinko had a 75, right? But I was with the top slot. So, let's check it out, guys. Starting with a 5, not too bad at all. A lot of 7s, couple of 10s, 3 15s, 20, 35, 200. Whoa. We got a 200 on the board, everybody. What shall it be? We will find out just about now. Oh, it's getting close.
This is the amount of money issued 789,655 euros.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. 5,400 winners. Carter, Jod, Silvio, top payouts. Let's go, baby. 200x. Nice. Here we go. Mamma mia. Some juicer. What a juicer that was.
For me, it's nothing too funny, but I was going on a bus, and like the grandma sitting next to me, she was like watching TikToks on full volume on her phone, like right next to me. I thought it was like just so random. This grandma just watching TikToks, like TikTok on a full volume. Good luck on the bus. 4x on a crazy time. Oh, come on, please. Yes, we got it. Oh, baby, we got it. Crazy time at 4x top slot. Oh, let's hope for some nice wins. Come on, everybody. let's apply our 4x wheel multiply top slot. Woo! And now choose, of course, your team. Blue gang, yellow gang, or green gang. And of course, it'd be really, really nice if we could get some doubles as well. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, good luck. Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say double.
This is the amount of money issued 639,786 euros.
Oh, no double. Well, there's 60x for green and yellow and 200x for the blue. So, congratulations, especially nice for the blue team with a 200x. So, I hope next time we can get at least the 3-digit multiplier for all 3 flappers. Betting time! Now we just need to get a cash hunt. That's the only bonus round we haven't had yet. Bets are close. Good luck. Here we go.
Shihada and 08171. Top if you more than 2,000 euros. Betting time so you can place those bets again. And here we go again now. Romano saying give 25x top slot. Well, I cannot give or take anything here. I can just spin the wheel, then it turns around, and then I'm going somewhere. You know, like that. That's about it. That is about it. Crazy time 4x on the top slot. Maybe this could be the moment. To be honest, we'll be super close. Just land in, land in, land in, land in. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Sheesh, crazy time 4x. Bring a bit of a noise there in the chat, all right? Follow me. All right, decide which flapper are you going for? Is it green? Is it blue? Is it yellow? Most popular was blue flapper. Max multiplier 400x could be doubles. Are you ready? Let's go, everybody!
This is the amount of money issued 726,777 euros.
Two X, a little bit small in my opinion. 5X small, 7, 10, 50. Okay, I like 15, 20, I like 40, I like 50, I like. Now, where's that 50? We want a drop zone in on your right. Because then we can get to 50x. So where's the drop zone? It's kind of in the middle. We'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky. Okay, let's see. It's going to be... I don't know. Could be 50. Could be 50. Let's go. Could be 50. Yeah! 50x, baby. That's right. Uncle Benji, the top B, gets the biggest small fees. Congrats. 4,531 winners. Ooh, David. Congrats on the 4,000. There you go, guys. We did it. I didn't think... I'm going to be honest. I thought we were cooked. I didn't think we were going to get it. I was super surprised. But, hey, we got it. We're good drop zone. 3x on crazy time. When you have a board like that where one side is like all the low multipliers and one side is all the high multipliers, it really matters. Guys, this is not only crazy time, but it's crazy time with a 3x top slot multiplier. So, let's make some real money. Let's go, guys. Woo! Juice me with that 3x multi. Pick your flapper. Green, blue, yellow. $300X max multiplier. Good luck. Okay, 45X yellow, 75X on blue, or sorry, on green, but blue got double. So now we're going to double the wheel. So blue, a lot of you guys like blue. This is where blue, 600X is now the max multi. This could be big.
This is the amount of money issued 616,661 euros.
Big. Congratulations to the winners.
Here. Let's keep on hustling, keep on playing, so get ready for the next round. Let's spin them up. Make sure to also turn on the autoplay feature, which will make sure that you're not missing out on a single round, and you will always be in the middle of the action. So give it a go, give it a try. Let's begin with a new round of Bets Closed. Let's go. Good luck. Cash hunt with a 7X from the top slot right now. That would be the perfect time to get it. Can we get it though? Come on, we need a cash hunt here. We gotta get it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a cash hunt with a 7X. Skr, skr. Let's go hunting once again, baby. Let's go. Cash hunt with a 7X on it. That means, from the top slot, of course, that 7X is gonna multiply all the multipliers we have here on the wall. And we have a lot of 100Xs here, and all of them are gonna get multiplied by that 7X. So we will have a lot of 700Xs hiding around this time, and I wanna see a lot of you guys finding those 700Xs, guys. So let's go hide them up behind some lovely symbols. Ooh, baby, this could get spicy. All right, let's shuffle them up. Get ready to take that shot. I want to see a lot of you getting some 700X payouts. You guys deserve them. So get ready. We're about to begin. Decision time. Your time to take that magical shot, and hopefully we'll manage to do it. Is it the bunnies? Is it the apples? Is it the gifts? Maybe the sheriff's emblems? Whatever it is, I don't know. But I really hope a lot of you will manage to find those lovely 700Xs. So let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 807,499 euros.
Left side there, that's where they were hiding at. We have 454 players getting the 700X. 5,166 winners. Wow, Edira, you got us 179,000 euro win there. Woo, woo.
Grace time. Yeah. Let's go. Grace time. 9 p.m. Well, good luck, everyone. Let's go. And so, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We're back with the crazy time. Woo, let's see what we're gonna have here, then. So, ladies and gentlemen, choose the colors now. We have a green, we have a blue, and we have a yellow. Eh? So, 3 colors to choose from, so grab one. Good luck, and 100X is the max. Good luck. Then for the green, 20 on the yellow, and double for the blue. Now, let's double the fun, and 200X is the max, so let's get it. And let's do it again, another double on the blue. Let's double it again. So, ladies and gentlemen, 400X is the max. Give it to us.
This is the amount of money issued 42,928 euros.
Well, well, well. 200x on the blue.
Autoplay if you want. And now we have cash hunt with a 10x top slot this time. Woo! Is that what we get? One of the best results of them. Cash hunt with a 10x, everyone. Woo! Okay, welcome everyone. Amazing. I hope you're excited. We're ready to beat the big win of the day. Highest multiplier I can see is 100. Last time's everything by 10. Whoa, the highest now is 1,000. We're shuffling all of the multipliers now, of course. Okay, the shuffling is done. Make decisions, everyone. If you want to, you can use auto pick instead, trying to find the 1000x multiplier.
This is the amount of money issued 135,303 euros.
To all of the cash.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.